Gong practice number 353. Today is Friday, August 20th, 2021. It's a little past 4:40 or so. Just got done with Gong practice. Decided to do my intro after practice just to see how I feel. And guess what? I feel great, feel energized. So hopefully this sound does the same thing for you, coming in with some clearing energy, letting go of the old and letting the new come through. And that's how we grow, is letting the new come through, letting go of the old. Let the new come through. Receive the sounds. Be ready to receive them. All you got to do is lie down and close your eyes and focus on your breath. That's all you have to do. Turn off your cell phone and it may distract you. Make sure you have 30 minutes to be with the sounds. Get out your crystals, oracle cards, Reiki. If you do Reiki, if you want to channel energy, incense, essential oils, sage, whatever you need to create your nice little sacred space. Light some candles if you like. Turn off the lights and lie down and breathe. And just let the sounds move through you. Just accept them for what they are. You might feel the need to sneeze or cough or laugh or cry. You might twitch around. Your body might move around. Who knows? Just accept it. It's just sound moving. Nothing is going to harm you. If you feel a little pain somewhere, just breathe through it. That's a sound releasing trauma. I'm telling you, it's just amazing what the vibrations can do. And you can look it up yourself. There's just a lot of things out there, and start studying. And I don't have the time to explain all of it. All I just know is that it works. It's worked for me. Maybe it won't work for everybody. Maybe it will. Because it has worked for me, and I've reshaped my life. My life has changed so much from listening to the sounds of the gong, from playing the gong, from being around positive vibrations. Oh, my life is beautiful, and I like to share it. I like to share this energy that I have right now. Man, that's from the gong practice. So blasting this energy to you, and sending love, and just being the change that I want to see, and providing what I can provide to everybody. Just be of service, spread love. So go ahead and focus on your breath. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Turn off your cell phone. And nice deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lower belly. And fill your chest, and pause for a moment and let it all go. And as you exhale, just let go of the rubbish. Let go of all the stuff that's no longer serving you. Just let it go. Breathe. And just listen to the sounds. And I'll wake you up when it's done. It'll be 30 minutes of sounds. And then you'll hear this hand pan. You'll hear some hand panning. You'll hear my voice, and then it's time to wake up. And it's quite possible that you'll wake up in a different body. You'll wake up in a better body. You'll wake up something new. And you'll wake up recharged, vibrations, clearing passages through you so the energy can freely flow. So you can come into your power and love. So enjoy this practice. Thank you for being here. I'll wake up when it's done. I already know that because I already wrote it. I already said it. I already recorded it. So you'll see me in the future, but it's a past me from the person talking right now. But by the time you watch it, it won't be me anymore. It'll just be a representation of me in digital form. It's quite interesting, all of it. Enjoy the sound journey. I love you. Thank you for being here. connection back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose, wiggling your fingers and toes as you let it all go. Taking all the time that you need to come back into your body. A moment of appreciation, gratitude for being present with the sounds. How do you feel? Take note. Breathe in that light. Breathe in that air. I feel great after that practice. I really do. Nice and charged up, energized, ready to get some other things done for the day. If you'd like to share your experience, feel free to do so below in the comments section. Just say, this is what I experienced. It helps other people remember perhaps what they experience, and also that to show people that we can experience the same thing listening to sound, all listening to the same sounds, but get something different from it. And that's what the thing is about life, is we can be in the same room, witness something, we all see something different, we all take away something different based on our program, based on how we were, what we already know. And it's good to share what we see so we can see what we really saw, if that makes any sense. I don't know. But feel free to share, just share, because I love to share. Just share my life with people. Say, here it is, I play the gong, make some noise, because it's enjoyable. Because today I gotta have fun, because every day is a day to have fun. Every day is a breathe, every day is to be alive, every day is a love. And all we have is today. 5 principles of Reiki. Just for today I will not anger. Just for today I will not worry. Just for today I'll be grateful. Just for today I'll be kind to others. And just for today I'll focus on my work. I think about those things because they help me stay me. And sometimes I'm not me. Sometimes I'm somebody else. Sometimes there's something else that takes over me. But I gotta come back and remind myself, no, breathe. Just for today, you're not gonna anger. You don't need to let go into those things that come up from wherever they came out from, like inside, stirring up and festering, and then they just pop one day. There's no reason to speak harmful words to other people. And even though I have good intentions, sometimes the truth may hurt. It may sound harmful. It may cause pain, but it's also good to speak your truth so you know, so you can let people know where things are at, and just speaking the truth is the way to go. So let people know that you love them, because you do love them, because I love you, I love everybody. I have love for everybody. I want nothing but the best for everybody. But they have to you have to put in work. You have to do some work. You got to do it yourself. It's not all going to just be perfect for you. Or it is. Maybe it is. It takes work. It takes time to let go. It takes time to learn and grow and love. That love, to really have the biggest sense of love, you have to learn to love yourself, who you are. Let go of the traumas, let go of the stories, let go of the narrative. Just come into your true self. Love yourself. As you love yourself, you love to overflow to other people. You can share it. You can spread love through a smile, perhaps, through laughter, through giving. There's so many different ways. So with that, thank you so much for listening to this gong practice. Have a beautiful now. Laugh more, love more, smile more. Thank you so much. Plant some good seeds, do some good deeds. And remember, all we have is today. So smile. And if you're not smiling, ask yourself why. I love you. Have a great day.